Okay, I put it on record. So I'll announce the things which I've already told in when it was not in on record, so that your friends can also hear. So what I said is that from starting from the chapter 3, that is production control and planning and control, notes are already uploaded in Moodle. You can access that if you have access to Moodle. For the first two chapters, notes are also there, but it's in the students copies who were attending the classes till mid of March. Okay, so you discuss among yourself in your informal group what you want. If whether you will manage amongst yourself, you will make a PDF or prepare a note and share with yourselves, or you want me to upload the notes again on Moodle for chapter 1 and 2. You discuss among yourself and do let me know by today, so that from tomorrow I will start uploading the notes for chapter 1 and chapter 2. That is the thing that I told when the class was not on record. Okay, and what I was telling is I have not actually planned anything for the remedial classes. What I thought is I should talk to you, and what you want from me, that I should know. So, if you have anything to say me that you want special class on this part, or you want to clear this part, or like that, you please unmute and tell me. Okay. You follow the assignments which I was giving you during the lockdown period. It was mixture of sums and theories. So you follow those assignments. Okay. Actually, all of us have sent question papers, but I don't know which question is going to be set. Okay. But if my questions get selected and they comes for your examination, then they will be from those assignments only. Okay. That is one thing I want to say. I don't know why they asked for the question papers, but they were asking for from every colleges. Okay, so I'm not sure whether they will give the same question to you or they will mix from the questions from all the other colleges under NDU, then pick out two questions like that they will do. I don't know, but if the questions which I had sent they comes for the examination, then they will be from the assignment only. Okay, that is a vital thing which I wanted to share. Next is next what to do. Just a moment. These assignments were not opening when I was trying to open. Few assignments were not opening. So do let me know if you're facing those kind of problems. Then this question bank for short answers. This was for the short questions. This question bank was prepared. You follow this. Okay. And one thing, one very important thing I want to tell you. Do not sit idle for now. You have 13 days in hand. Today is first. From 14th, your examinations are going to start, right? So you have 13 days in hand. Do not think that since this is an open book examination assignment based, so ये prepare नहीं करने से भी हो जाएगा. No, it's not like that. Okay. It's true that you don't have to learn and remember things mugging up, all those things are not there obviously, but you have to keep every answers ready, because when you will start writing, no, and time limit is 2 hours only, time limit is going to be 2 hours, and if you don't have the answers ready, then you will see the question and then find out the answer, then you will write it in your copy. That will become a little bit difficult. It will eat up a lot of time. Then your quality of the notes which you are writing will deteriorate. Okay, So what you have to do is you plan out for this 13 days, you keep everything ready with you. All the topic wise notes you keep ready with it with you. Then on the day of the examination, you make sure you can easily access those notes and write quality content within those 2 hours assigned. Understood? Listen to me very carefully, okay? Whatever I'm saying today is very vital for the assignment based examination. Even I'm going to write my examination with you. During third week only, my examination is also going to take place. So ours also is going to be assignment based. So I'm keeping everything ready because it happened with your seniors to the sixth semester who just passed out. They also they few of them had told me, ma'am, we thought that it was going to be easy, quite easy, but then we found that we don't have much time in hand, so we had to face a little bit of problem. Okay, so my suggestion is take it as a very vital suggestion, the only suggestion for writing the assignment based questions properly. Keep everything ready in front of you. Be it in soft copy mode, be it in hard copy mode, not a problem. But keep everything ready. Understood? So you do let me know what you want. Do you want me to upload the questions for this chapter 1 and 2 or not? Do let me know by evening. Okay? Okay, let's open this notes. Huh? Let's see what is in there. Just a moment. Actually, I logged in last night, so it got timed out. Few of the assignments were not opening. When I was trying to open and set the question paper, few of the assignments were not opening. Okay, so this is the note for Unit 3. Meaning, characteristics, objectives of production planning and control. So you open all these Word files and then sit for writing the examination. You will get most of the notes from my note itself. Few may come from outside also. So for that you need to access Google. So have proper broadband connection also during the examination. Meaning, meaning if it comes for 6 marks, say it is coming for 4 marks, say. So you will not write so much. You will just write the definition. Like Golden B. Carson has described this definition. So if you write this, it will fetch you 4 marks. So accordingly, you will prepare the notes, okay, according to the marks allotted. So production planning and control involves generally the organization and planning of the manufacturing process. Specifically, it consists of the planning of the routing, scheduling, dispatching, and inspection, coordination and the control of materials, methods, machines, tooling, and operating times. The ultimate objective is the organization of the supply and movement of materials and labor. Yeah. Oh, you cannot see this, no? You cannot see my notes. Wait, I'll share the entire screen. Wait. If you want to tell me anything, please unmute and tell, okay? Were you attending your regular classes every day? Were you attending your regular classes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Okay, now I have shared my entire screen. Now you will be able to see. Just a moment. Yes, I was talking about this part. See, this is the note for the unit 3 and the notes has been prepared following the items mentioned in your syllabus itself. Okay. So all the notes are as per the topic given in your syllabus. So for when you will start writing the assignment, you will open all this word file and then start writing. Almost all the topic you will get here, every topic has been discussed in this note, but what I'm saying is, in as per the questions set in your examination, you will find almost all the answers from my notes itself. In case you are not finding anything, so you will have to search for from the Google. Okay, I was talking about this one, this first part, meaning of the production planning and control. Suppose if the answer is for 4 marks only, so you will write this last paragraph only. You'll just write the definition of production planning and control. Okay, then characteristics are there. It can be features also, then it can be efficiency also, different terms can be used, so you accordingly you arrange the terms, think that what could be the answer, search in the notes first. If you're not getting here, then go for the Google search. Understood? Because when you're searching in the notes, no, you have the things ready, it will save your time, and also you don't have to access the net. In case there are some problems in the connectivity, these notes may help you. Or obviously, if you have some other arrangement, you can go for it. And characteristics, depending on the marks you describe. Okay, this will fetch you 5 or 6 marks only, because these are written in points, these are written in a single sentence or like that. So if suppose description is coming, then you need to write elaboration on this. In that case, you will have to make the notes. So all these things are going to happen. Okay, you will not spend much time in searching for the explanation. It will be better if you write on your own. It will save time. So you take the reference from the points and describe on your own. That you can do. Then these are the objectives of planning and control written separately. Again, these are written in sentence. So if suppose the objectives are asked for 12 marks, then you will have to elaborate these points. So taking reference, you are all good, you grown up now, you are all good in writing. So you will have to make up the I mean, you'll have to elaborate on the points and write as per the questions marks have asked. Planning and control separately is mentioned. Then the steps. This is very, very important. Okay, if you are talking about planning and control, then the steps are very, very important. So there are 4 steps: routing, scheduling, dispatching, and follow up. These 4 stages has to be elaborately discussed by you. If the questions come from this portion, it will come for 12 marks. So routing, scheduling, dispatching, and follow up should be properly discussed by you. Okay. Tomorrow onwards, I'll take up the discussions separately and then we'll elaborate on this. First 2 chapters were already discussed in the class. I hope you remember. You revised those 2 chapters today. Okay. Um, Almost all of you who are present now, you were there in the classes regularly. So you go through your notebook, you find out the notebook and just revise the first 2 chapters and the sums that were taught. Thank God the sums were over during the offline classes. So you follow the sums also, and any doubt if you have, you please tell me from tomorrow onwards. You will click the picture, share it on your screen, and you will say, ma'am, I have doubt in this step, ma'am, I have doubt in that step. Like that, we will discuss the sums also. Whatever sums were taught in the class, that is enough. If you practice those, normally in production management last year, I don't think any sums came, but this time it may come also because this is assignment based. So you have to be prepared in both ways. So this note, let me not discuss it right now. I'll take up this discussion from tomorrow. Within 5 days, we'll finish off this 3 chapters discussion. Okay, just the idea so that you don't have any doubt in any regards. So, okay, so what is your homework for today? Your homework is you will take out the notebook. You will take out the notebook that you are following when the classes were in offline mode till mid of March. From January we started till mid of March. Whatever notes you had prepared on your notebook, you will take out those notes and revise it. Okay, revise it, and tomorrow you will tell me about your doubt, in which areas you are having the doubt. In any sum, suppose you just find out a sum in which you are seeing some doubt, in which you are feeling that this step is not clear. So what you will do is, at that moment you take a picture of that, okay, and then you will send me that picture in my WhatsApp number. Okay, then you if you are sitting on your laptop, then you yourself will share the screen, or I will share the screen from my part. Okay, like that we are going to discuss the doubts in sums, in any notes that were given during the offline classes, that we are going to do. And after clearing your doubts, I'm going to take out the discussions on the 3 left out chapters, on which unfortunately we did not have any online classes. Okay. All right. So just let me take the attendance. Wait for a while, then you will join your next class. Your next class is from 7:40. So after this class, you will join that. Just wait. Huh? Ayush, Deepa, Pratiksha, Raj, Rajeshwari, Reena, Sejal, Yogesh. Ayush, Deepa, Ayush, Deepa, Pratiksha, Raj, Rajeshwari, Sejal, Yogesh. Deepa, Pratiksha, Raj, Reena, Sejal, Yogesh. Were you listening to me, or you just logged in and slept?
And we were listening.
Listening.
Okay, thank you. Very good. Just tell me if I missed anyone. 1, 2, you can see the attendance on your screen. Just do tell me if I missed anyone, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, okay, done then. Alright, so your attendance is done. So, what is your homework? You will take out the notebook and find out your doubts from there. And also, you will let me know by tonight whether you want me to share the notes again, because I'll have to overnight I'll have to prepare everything in Word file, because when I was telling you, dictating you the notes, I was dictating from books. So I don't have also prepared note in any soft file. So do let me know by tonight, okay? So with 2 days I'll take, but I'll prepare everything in soft copy form and will share. So do let me know by tonight itself. Okay. All right, then bye bye. See you tomorrow at 7 a.m. again. I have e-commerce remedial classes also, but I think in e-commerce all the notes are there. Okay, I'll have to check. Okay, anyways, let us finish up production management first, then we'll take up e-commerce. All right. So, okay, then see you tomorrow again. Bye bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.